Hey everybody, welcome to Tooling Around Acres. And this is Brian, and we are going to be reviewing the garden mesh netting as well as the Fubegi garden hoop kit. And here's our unboxing for this. Garden mesh netting. This is actually 10 foot by 50 foot long. It's 10 foot wide. Our raised garden beds are 8 foot long and 4 foot wide. So I'm going to be covering this because our watermelons are being attacked, and I'm trying to keep them from being attacked from the deer and the rabbits. So we will be connecting these together and see how it goes. This is the netting as you unfold it. See, it's very thin. However, it does allow rain and everything else to pass through, but not the bugs. So you can see this is the box that the poles came in for the top. It's got all these different connectors that we're going to use to put the mesh over the top. But right now I've got to put these poles together. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here's the connecting pieces to connect the rods together. If you do 5 hoops together, that'll give you a 2.8 feet height and a 3.8 feet width going across the hoop. So we're going to put 5 of these together because that's actually what I need. Then once you have all these put together, then you stick them in the ground and bend them over. Once you have the anchors in place, simply take these, pinch them, and pinch the cloth in between. Sure, when you're putting this thing on, that you have all of your vegetables or fruit or whatever it is you're growing trapped inside instead of anything sticking out. And we're back. Sorry for that brief intermission. Had to take care of some issues and get this straightened out. So as you can see, it's all wrapped up all around the edges to keep the insects and everything out. Hopefully we'll see what happens when the deer come. See if there's any more grasshoppers or anything else eating watermelon. And I'll keep you posted. If you like this video and content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.